Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing this massive 8.4 cubic foot triple door home safe. This 92-pound unit features 6 live locking bolts and pry-resistant hinges for maximum security. 3 separate digital compartments allow you to set 6 unique codes for family or staff members. You will love the secret hidden compartment at the bottom for storing your most sensitive personal documents. Easily open the unit using the digital keypad, emergency keys, or the included external battery box. A built-in alarm system automatically locks the keypad if someone enters a wrong password multiple times. This durable steel safe comes with a lifetime warranty to keep your jewelry and firearms secure forever. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.